Everybody, happy St. Patty's Day. It's the mobile home mama decking into the lot on a Sunday. I like it because it's nice and quiet over here. I can bring my little kiddo with me. So we are going to jump into this baby right here. It looks like a 16 by 76, and you can see they park these homes pretty close to each other. So I'll try to get a good view down here. But it looks like this customer has added shutters, white shutters. We've got a Wedgwood blue on the siding. You can see down there we've got the standard electrical receptacle as well as the frost-free faucet. And let's take a look around the rest of the house. Here's our hitch. Always got to have a hitch. We got to get it down the road, right? Remember from my last video, those are bolted on, so this will be removed. All of the wheels and tires will be removed. Axles. They've added a second frost-free faucet. Lots of windows in this. Hey Benji, how you doing today?
Yeah, I was just going to check up on you because I couldn't see you on the window.
Oh, okay, I'm coming right in. All right, so from peeking in the window, it looked like to me like this was a Weyburn. I haven't actually got inside yet. Benji has, so let's get on in and see what we got. All right, here we go. I'm coming in the back door, and it looks like I was right on the money. This is a Weyburn coming into the utility room. Now, 6-panel solid doors are the standard for the front and back door. But this customer has added a 9-light residential. They call it a 9-light because there's 9 different windows, 369, and lets lots of light in. So I imagine that's where the 9-light name comes from. Looking here, of course, we got the main water shutoff there. Water shutoffs throughout in the home. Coming into the living area, I love the colors they've done here. Some very nice earthy tones. This is a special color that you can put on islands only. And they've added Timberwolf. Took the cabinets to the ceiling, 42 inches to the ceiling. Added this really cute hutch over here, and it's hard to see in the video. Well, maybe you can see, but this glass has ridges. So I think that's cool. I don't know. Crescent edging, rounding of the countertop. This is that Lisola countertop, so it actually is textured. It's the only countertop I have that is textured, and looks like they added a full wall of backsplash on the range wall. This is the new pewter color. Microwave over the range. As always, we're going to have Whirlpool appliances. Kept the standard electric range. And what else do we have going on? This is called Colonial Cove. They put that over the windows. 230 by 61 windows. Quite often when I'm building this home, the customers will enlarge it. Coming in, looks like they did a 9-light in the front door as well. Great option if you want to change the door that has some windows. We have a couple different options actually. We have the Craftsman's door that you see quite often, and then this 9-light. Not so much do we see that. It used to be a standard back door, but we changed all that. So heading down the hallway, not a bad idea, guys. If you've got a hallway like this, you can tell that it gets kind of dark in there. So remind me, as we're building, I always like to talk about putting little transom windows up there. We do that in our show homes just so you can see what happens when you let a little bit of light in. Here's bedroom 2. Bedroom 3. Second bath. Added the over the commode linen right there. 3 bulb light strips. Those are standard up above the mirror. Single vanity. Tub shower combination. Let's head back towards the primary area. Let me stop. Look at these earthy colors. I love them. Nice and rich. The cool thing about the Weyburn is on the way back to the primary area, that's on there tight. There's a little pantry. Maybe hard to see. We have the Weyburn as a show home, actually. So if you ever get a chance to visit, you'll get to see this home. All decked out. Primary bedroom. 14 by 40 window. I think that's a great idea in any bathroom. And then this is very similar to the last bathroom that we just saw in that they did the over the commode linen. Looks like this is a 4-bulb light strip. Single vanity and probably added a shower. Yep. Walk-in shower. 60-inch 2-seater. 46 by 61. That's common in a primary bedroom. Primary closet. So there you have it. It's St. Patty Days. St. Patty's Day. Benji, say bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Top of the morning to y'all. Thanks for watching.